Hi there. Thanks for stopping by. Will you hang out with me for a few minutes? I really want to share 5 reasons why I think you should seriously consider this virtual kit offer that Norwex just dropped for the month of September. So, will you hang out with me? Yeah? Okay, come on, let's do this. All right, so this is the offer. It is a virtual kit. So, Norwex offers the standard sign up offer, but this month they're offering the virtual kit. So if you already love Norwex and own a bunch of the products, or if you just don't want the stress of earning the kit and having a sales requirement, this is the deal for you because you're able to sign up with no obligation whatsoever, and you will have 6 months of benefit of becoming a consultant. So, what does that mean in numbers and cents? This is our back office, which everyone will have access to when they sign up to become a consultant. Let's say over the next 6 months, you're going to spend this much with Norwex. The 35% discount that we earn as consultants would give you $21. How much is that virtual kit offer again? $19.99 plus taxes. Sure looks like a no-brainer to me. So that's reason number one. Now, reason number two, we earn that 35% discount on all retail. So that means even sale items. So this awesome summer warehouse sale, yep, 35% discount on these prices. And yes, that does go for the customer specials as well. Yep, it includes the mask, and it actually does also include the spend and get. So we receive a 35% discount on all of those customer specials. All right, so if you needed yet another reason, reason number three, we also can earn host rewards on all of our orders and purchases. So again, another opportunity for you to double dip and earn both shopping spree and the actual host rewards that are on this document every single month. All right, it doesn't get any better than that, but here we go. Here's reason number four. Again, during the month of September only, Norwex is offering an additional 5% discount on all of our sales if we submit more than $500 in retail. Wow. So this is just one more bonus. 35% is great, but you can actually earn 40% if you submit $500 or more in retail sales. Holy cow. Okay, so the fifth reason, and I think this is probably the best one, is that you would be joining my team, Team Geeky Clean. We are such a fun, amazing, growing team. We are part-timers, discounters, full-timers, everything in between. We love supporting each other. And so if this is what you think you want to do, I'd love to have you join my team. So what are you waiting for? Go to the link below, join, and then hit me up afterwards and I'll help you get started. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to ask. Thanks for tuning in.